The Rural Evening News Grain Report is brought to you by Blue Def.
Welcome back to our Rural Evening News. I'm Mark Oppold, recapping the grain and livestock trade on a Thursday, heading to the end of the week. And what a week it has been in the livestock trade, especially. Let's check the grain trade, though, first of all. And corn at the close on Thursday, higher by 2 cents. It was a 5-cent trading range, high to low all day, and that's where we ended in that range. But in March, right in the middle of that range at 4.28, 2 1/4 higher at the close. The May 2 cents higher, 4.35 1/2. Our soybean trade, a higher Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and higher almost all day Thursday, right up into the close. A little bit lower, taking some back. 3 cents lower on that March after a high at 13.30 and a bit more. 15 cents off of that. 13.15 at the close, down 3 cents. May, over $13 for a lot of the day, but down below that, 12.96 1/4, down a penny and a quarter. Of course, nearby demand is going to keep as the trader suggests, a lot of support under March, May, and July. And China doesn't show any signs of slowing down their purchases. We'll look at the exports in just a minute. I want to show you the wheat trade on Thursday. Higher, in fact, near their highs of the day as they went off the board, closing out a nickel higher in Chicago. March 5.72 3/4, and the May 5.79 3/4. Again, within pennies of their highs of the session. Kansas City futures were even higher, 8 to 9 cents higher, with the March up 9, 6.29 1/2, and the May 6.25 3/4. Minneapolis, many suggest watch Minneapolis trade. That might be a real key in this wheat market from here. March up a dime, 6.24 on the day, and the May Minneapolis 6 cents higher at 6.22. Talking about those exports, weekly export sales were strong for corn, over 820,000 metric tons. Beans over 1.2 million, but that's old and new crop combined, but a lot of that was old crop. And the same for wheat, combining the old and new crop sales over 400,000, but a lot of that came from the old crop wheat sales. A lot more wheat to sell. All right, to the livestock trade we go. Live cattle futures setting new highs on the day today, with that February up at 141. That is an all-time high. Closing off of that, feeder cattle on the day not setting new highs, but a strong trade, not closing that way. Interesting what Friday will show. Our slaughter for cattle right on target with a week ago, within a couple thousand head. Hog futures on the day did close higher. February up 12, and our hog slaughter on the day showing 428,000. Tammy Arender back in 2 minutes. I'm Mark Oppold, wishing you a profitable day.